If you're watching this, please know this: your story isn't over. Surviving a suicide attempt isn't the end, it's the beginning of a new chapter filled with healing, hope, and the chance to rebuild. Recovery starts with getting the right help. Follow up with your doctor or mental health professional, especially if you were recently hospitalized. Consider therapy options like cognitive behavioral therapy or dialectical behavior therapy. If you've been prescribed medication, take it as directed and speak up about how it affects you. You don't have to go through this alone. Stay connected with people you trust, friends, family, or peer support groups. Let someone know when you're struggling. Speaking up can be hard, but it's a brave step toward healing. Creating a safe environment matters. Remove or secure anything you could use to harm yourself, ask for help if needed. Create a crisis plan that includes emergency contacts and calming strategies for tough moments. Recovery also means taking care of your physical well-being. Try to get enough sleep, eat nourishing food, and stay hydrated. Make space for simple things that bring you peace, like music, journaling, or walks in nature. Remember, recovery is a journey, not a straight line. There will be tough days, but also moments of strength, growth, and light. You survived for a reason. Your life matters. There is hope ahead, keep going. If you're in crisis, please reach out. You are not alone. Need help? Reach out today. Share this video. You could save a life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Isabella's Homes, your recovery gateway.